Alright guys, and welcome back to my channel where we do reviews on all things Amazon products, hotels, and even ways to make money online programs. But today we're going to go ahead and do a review on my new pull-up bar station. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review. So let's go take a look at it. This is a full power tower, so there are more parts than a basic pull-up bar, but the build itself isn't complicated. It's mostly bolting the steel frames together and tightening everything down in order. I would suggest having the video of the assembly plus the actual paper one as well. The pieces are heavy steel, so once the main frame is set up, it already feels solid and doesn't feel flimsy while assembling. This is definitely something you want to build on a flat surface so everything stays level. The instructions walk you through step by step. If you take your time and tighten everything evenly, the tower feels stable once it's standing. Realistically, it's about a 30-minute build if you're not rushing. The height can be adjusted during the assembly, which helps depending on your ceiling height or how tall you are. Once it's set and tightened, it doesn't feel loose. Now that everything's assembled, you can see it doesn't take up much space as you'd expect for a full power tower. The base is wide, so it sits flat on the floor and doesn't feel tippy. This is designed for bodyweight workouts. You can do pull-ups, chin-ups, dips, knee raises, and leg raises all in one spot. The multiple grip positions on the pull-up bar let you switch hand positions instead of being stuck with just one. The arm pads and back pad help when you're doing knee raises or ab workouts, so you're not just hanging with no support. The padding feels firm, not soft or squishy. Because it's freestanding, you don't need to drill into the walls or frame doors. Once it's tightened correctly, it feels stable for controlled body weight movements. Overall, this works well if you want a single piece of equipment that covers upper body and core workouts without taking over the room. Alright, and this is what it looks like once it's fully assembled. As you can see, a lot of these parts are adjustable depending on the exercise that you want to do. So like I showed earlier, you just want to unscrew these. All right, there we go. And then you're just gonna want to tighten that up. It's all set. So like I said, these parts are adjustable. This one is adjustable as well. So that way if you want to push it forward or push it back, you can do so. Some of the exercises that you can do on here is like a wide pull-up, or right here as well. You can also do these right here. Or just different variations like that. Like I said, the padding on here is nice. The padding on the back is nice. It's very sturdy as well. The other thing that you can do is on the bottom. Let me go ahead and show you. It has those handles. So if you wanted to do push-ups there, you absolutely can. All right, and then what I did want to show with the bar down here is you can adjust it as needed on either of these three, and you can use it to, if you want to stretch, just like that, you can do so. Or like I said, if you want it higher, you can do that as well. Or if you just want to use it even for, just like to hang your towel on there while you work out, that could do that as well. And the other thing you could do with these is the tricep dips. So like I said, so many different options that you guys can do. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. But if you guys are looking for a new pull-up bar station, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so I can get yours. Highly recommend.